Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for signing up and registering for our Reading Olympiad. So we are gearing up for the test days, and this video is actually going to take you through the process of how you will log in to your Olympiad once you receive those login credentials. I am going to take you through the process on my computer. A couple of things before we get started. The first thing is that you should definitely be using a laptop or a desktop for this test. You will not be able to use a phone or an iPad or a tablet. It has to be done on a desktop or a laptop computer. The second thing that you should know is that you need to be using a Google Chrome web browser. So you can actually go to google.com/Chrome and download the Google Chrome web browser. Please do this before the test day. The final thing to make sure is that your internet speed is accurate. At this website, speedtest.net, you can test out an internet speed that you have. This needs to be at least 1 Mbps for you to do the test. Okay, I'm going to show you how we actually log in on the day of the Reading Olympiad for your test specific day. The first thing you're going to do is going to go to the website ro.getlit.co/login, and it's going to take me to the candidate login. Over here, you are going to put in your student ID or GRO nickname and the password. Again, this were the login credentials that were given to you on your registered devices. So I'm going to go ahead and log myself in. So what I see over here is the testing website. Over here, I have the active tab, which is where your test is going to show up on the day of the Olympiad. What you need to do is you're going to go ahead and start the test. It will take you to a new browser, and in this new window is where you will be taking the test. The first screen you are going to see are the instructions. At the bottom, you have a tick box. So once you've read and understood the instructions, you're going to tick this and click on Next. When you do this, it's going to give you a message that says the test page will open in full screen mode. If you try to exit full screen, test page will close. This basically means that you're not allowed to minimize during the test. So make sure you're not leaving that full screen mode during the entirety of the test taking time period. So I'm going to press OK. I've been put into a full screen mode, and this is what you will be able to see on the day of your interface. On the top, you have all the different names of the books and the questions. You can go through this in whatever order you want, or you can go in the order that it's given and go ahead and click Save and Next to move on to the next question. Some other things you need to know. Over here, you have the time remaining for the test. So depending on your grade, you will have a varied amount of time. Over here is where you will go ahead and submit the test once you are done. When you submit your test, it will ask you if you're sure you want to submit the test. When you do this and click Submit, it'll give you a screen that says that you've submitted the test. It'll take you out of the full screen mode. You can go ahead and close the test. Now on the testing website, what you will see is nothing is going to be on the active test. You are going to be sure that your test is complete by clicking on the Completed tab where the test should show up. If you have any questions, you are able to email us at support@getlit.co, and we will help you with any issues that you have. We are really looking forward to seeing you all participating in our Olympiad. Happy reading and good luck.